Sacred waters. You deserve a retreat. Join us in the jungle and the beaches of Akumal in Riviera Maya, Mexico. Immerse yourself in the sacred waters of your own consciousness to reset your mind, body, and spirit. Unveil your true nature. Uncover your soul's purpose for being. As we immerse ourselves in the rich spiritual culture, practicing daily meditation and movement, sacred ceremonies and rituals, to dive deep into self-love, self-care, self-healing. Transform yourself, your relationships, and our planet in the sacred waters of Akumal, Riviera Maya, March 12th through 17th, 2019. Namaste.